So guys, as you can see, my JVisual affiliate commission, I've earned 488 and actually have $293 to actually withdraw, and the available balance in my account is $235. So, and if I actually enter this amount, if I copy this amount and come over here, I can easily withdraw this money to my Wise account. And you can see the last moment I actually received $86 to my TransferWise account, and $58 is being on hold. So that means I've been consistently making money on JVZoo. So let me quickly show you exactly how you can replicate this and do this for yourself. So, but the problem I'm having right now is the last video I made about using Quora for promoting JVC affiliate marketing, a lot of people complain that it's not working. Some people said probably I'm not saying the truth. So this method actually works, but it requires a lot of hard work. You have to put in the hard work to be able to see some of the results. So ensure you actually ready to put in the hard work and be able to make money online. So without wasting much of time, let's quickly jump to the tutorial. So in today's video, I'll be showing you exactly how you can promote affiliate marketing products without you needing to have a website, or without you need to do a lot of hard work. So the website we are going to be using today is actually called Google Sites. So Google Sites actually allow you to create a website and be able to rank very well on Google. So let's see the domain authority of Google site. As you can see, we are using Ubersuggest domain extension. So this particular website is getting a lot of traffic every single month, which is around 9.50 million visitor come to this website, and this website is getting consistent traffic every single month from United States, India, United Kingdom, and different countries that are very, very likely to buy our product we want to promote on this platform. So, and don't worry, I'm going to show you exactly how you can actually build your own website on this platform and be able to rank it on Google instantly. I'm going to show you how to index this website, because I've been doing it consistently, ranking my website on Google using Google Sites. So I don't really need to actually start to create a website from scratch. So let's find the product I want to promote on JVZoo. So that's the next thing we have to do. All you have to do is to come to JVZoo. So right now, I don't just promote any our product, because JVZoo have a lot of products. So you have to find the performing product. So all you have to do is to come to this product option, come to products. So you are going to click on top seller to actually see some of the products that have been performing well on JVZoo. So as you can see, these are the top seller on JVZoo that have been promoting products. So there are a lot of them. So as you can see, this product has been performing very well. Number 3 top selling product, this Commission Gorilla V3, it has been performing very well. So what I always do, like for me to actually make sure that I'm putting my hard work to promoting product that is very, very likely to convert and be able to stay on the marketplace for a longer period of time. So what I always do is to filter the payments. So as you can see, filter the promotion method to yesterday to see product that have been on the platform for days. So as you can see, this case search has been performing very well. So and also let's find this particular CourseMate.ai. This particular product is a best-selling product that is performing. So let's filter it to like 7 days to see another one for the past 7 days. Let's see some of the products that actually appear again. So as you can see, key search is there also, and this Wave Sound FC is also there. So and this CourseMate.ai is there. That means people are buying these products and they are not requesting for a refund because it's a good product. So I'm going to do the last one, which is filter to 30 days to see the product that have been performing very well for the next 30 days. So that means if we are lucky or be able to rank for this product, we are going to make sales. That one is certain. So as you can see, StockDream.ai is ranking, Wave Sound is actually ranking, this CourseMate.ai is ranking. So that means this particular product, CourseMate.ai, has been ranking for the past 30 days, and people have been making sales consistently using this particular product. So the next thing you have to do to actually promote probably this CourseMate.ai is to apply to join the affiliate program. So there is going to load up. You are going to send okay, for example, as you can see, I've already applied and I have my affiliate link. So for you to actually apply, so let me show you exactly how you can apply for some of these products. So let's assume that you want to promote this particular one, which is Blogy AI auto blogging. So you are going to click on affiliate information. So you are going to write a compelling note that you want to promote their product. So as you can see, you have to enter a message that, oh, probably I'm a seasonal affiliate marketer. I would like to promote your product to my large audience. So ensure you actually approve me. And you're going to send the request for them to actually approve you on JVZoo. So approval is very, very simple. So you have to ensure you have your media property, like maybe you have a YouTube channel, you have a blog. So that means they are going to approve you more faster. Unlike you just telling them you have to promote their product without telling them the promotion method you want to use. So I'm going to use this Commission AI as case study for this tutorial. So as you can see, we have our affiliate link already. So the next thing is to actually study this product. So I'm going to copy the affiliate link, come over to Google, then paste the affiliate link to study what this product is all about, because you have to understand the product you are promoting before you can actually start writing content and be able to make sales on JVZoo. So that is one of the mistakes a lot of people make. So they don't really understand what the product you are promoting. They are just sending the message, like sending the product, spamming their Facebook list and others, so without getting any sales. As you can see, this product is basically about you creating a course. So you can actually create course using AI. So the next thing we have to do now is to generate a content for this product for us to actually make sales. So I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that, because this product is actually, the landing page is actually good. Like, we are very sure that if you send a lot of traffic to this product, we are going to make sales. So the next thing is to generate a content. So, and for we to do that, before, we have to hire someone on Fiverr to write a content for us, and spend money on maybe creating a blog. But we are going to skip all this process because it's going to cost us money, it's going to cost us time. So we are going to make sure we do it very fast and make commission very fast. So this is how we can basically achieve that, like writing a content without hiring someone on Fiverr or Upwork. So we have to come to this particular tool, which is called Cloud.ai. So this is the AI tool that allow you to write content, and this content, I've been using Cloud.ai to actually generate a lot of high quality content that rank within 24 hours on Google. So I'm going to show you the template I always use. So as you can see, write me a 1005 word and above long article. This one, I'm promoting stockdream.ai. So I'm going to replace I'm going to replace it with the one we want to promote now. So let me go back to cosme.ai. So I'm coming. So it's the product I'm promoting now is called cosme.ai. So I'm going to copy it, then come over to the write-up. So I'm going to paste it over here, then I'll actually enter review. So I actually have some template I always use, trying to ask some question that I know that most of my user or my buyer might be asking. So one of them is like, what is stockdream.ai? So let me replace it. I'm going to copy it. So I'm very sorry that this video is getting longer, but I know that it's actually have a lot of value. So, and if you actually love this kind of video, ensure you give me a thumbs up. And if you don't like it, let me know in the comment section below for where I can actually improve. So as you can see, I'm trying to replacing stockdream.ai to the products we actually want to promote now. So I'm going to replace this one also. Then actually, like, I'm going to copy the entire prompt, then come to Cloud.ai. So you can actually sign up for free on this platform. You are not paying any money. So I'm going to paste the prompt over here. So let me reduce the amount I want to write because I want to actually generate this content very fast. This particular result is going to blow your mind because it's going to give you like a very straightforward answer, and the content is going to be very, very top notch. Like, as you can see, this is the content Cloud.ai is generating for us, and it's very, very similar to the landing page. So as you can see, this is the landing page. It's going to be very similar to it. So as you can see, it's generating the content. It's going to take a while. So as you can see, it has generated successfully. And this particular article is very SEO friendly because it has given us the heading 1, heading 2, heading. So we can actually copy the content. Then I'm going to delete this particular write-up. So let me copy, then go to another tab to actually paste it for the next thing we are going to do now. So this is the article. So I can actually make sure I edit this article to fit my need. So Okay, hey dear, I'm friend. I'm excited to share a thought on Cosme.ai. So as you can see, this particular content is not bad, and we can actually tweak Claude.ai to give us the best content so far. So, but due to the fact that this is a tutorial, I don't want it to be very, very long. So I will just use this article just like that. So now that we have generated the content for Cosmate.ai, so the next thing is to actually promote this product using Google site. So we are going to come to Google site, like Google site. Actually, sign up for Google site is free. All you have to do is to enter your email, your Gmail, to actually sign up. And it's very important that the Gmail you are going to be using is going to be linked to your Google search console, because we are going to index this website and rank very quickly. So let's assume that you have a Google site already. So all you have to do is to click on create a blank website, or you can use any of the templates. So I'm actually promoting Cosme.ai. So let me go back to Cosme.ai, Cosme.ai review. So I'm going to paste it over here. That is the title of my okay. So it seems that it's not giving me what I want. So I'm going to copy Cosme.ai, then paste it. So I'm going to delete this, then paste it, review. Then I'm going to actually change the name of the website to Cosme.ai. So because I actually want to run faster, and I want to optimize this landing page as faster as I can. So review. So the next thing is to actually, so I'm going to come over to the Claude.ai and then copy the entire content. So I'm going to copy the entire content from beginning to the end. So mind you, the reason why I'm actually doing this, I would have read through to actually take facts if the information the Claude.ai give me is actually true, because AI these days the information they are giving you might not be 100% accurate. You have to make sure you cross check to see if they are actually correct. So the next thing is to actually drop a text box over here. So all you have to do is to drag and drop, and you are going to paste the content from beginning to the end. So the reason, as you can see, I'm supposed to change this one to maybe heading. So like heading over here. So as you can see, it has changed to heading. This one also, you are supposed to change it to heading, because it actually helps to rank very faster on Google. So we have to change this one to heading also. This one to heading. So now the next thing you have to do is to go back to our product, which is Cosme.ai. So we are going to copy this affiliate link, because if you don't copy this affiliate link, we are not going to make any sales. So the reason why we are actually doing this is to make sales. So we are going to actually add our affiliate link. So like get started with Cosme.ai. Get started with Cosmate.ai. Cosmate AI. So we are going to actually use this one as our call to action and hyperlink it. So because the purpose of this is to make sales, we are going to actually apply it. Then probably we can make it more bolder, like probably increase the font, so that whenever someone actually land on our website, they are going to see it and click on our link and be able to make commission. So, and I have a tutorial where I actually show you step-by-step guide on how to use Google site, because you can actually design Google site to look like a professional website, but I don't want to do it here in this video, because this video is going to be very, very long. So now that we have our blog post and our affiliate link inside the blog post, all we have to do is to publish this blog post. So we are going to use the name we want to use for this blog post. So as you can see, Cosmate.ai.review. So we are going to publish it. Let's see that maybe this particular is available. This particular URL is available. As you can see, it's available. So we can view our website. So as you can see, this is the website, and whenever someone actually click on this particular link, it's going to take them directly to our affiliate page to make commission. And if they buy, as you can see, this particular AD96 is my affiliate link. If a particular person actually click on here to buy Cosme.ai, I'm going to make a cut of commission as affiliate. So now you can actually rank this website very faster on Google and be able to index it in your Google Search Console. There are two important ways of doing that. You can use third-party websites, which I'm going to drop inside the video description, and you can do it yourself. It's not going to cost you any money. But I observed that this video has been very, very long, so I will have to split this video, do it in the next, like I will have to actually move this part to the next video. So you have to ensure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I'm dropping the video, because I'm going to drop it today or tomorrow, so ensure you subscribe and give me a thumbs up. If you like this video, let me know. If you don't like it, let me know your opinion inside the comment section below, so I will actually make sure to reply each of your messages in the comment section below. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video about you ranking this website very faster on Google search. So as you can see, there are some of my websites which I do rank on Google site, so I'm going to show you exactly how you can add it to Google site. I'm able to rank it on Google search console. I'm able to rank faster and make a lot of commission. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you in my next video. Bye.